Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Acer laptop if it got a black screen but the power is on. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, try at least hard resetting your laptop. Okay, if you don't know how to do it, go ahead and unplug all peripherals, including USB drives, a external monitor, mouse, or whatever is connected to your laptop. Remove all, and then once done, unplug the charger. Okay. And then after that, press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. And even if the lights go off, just keep holding it. Okay? And after that, wait about a minute and then plug the charger back in. Just the charger. So once it's plugged in, go ahead and turn it on and check if it helps. Now, if that doesn't work, turn on the laptop and then go ahead and press these keys. I'm just going to open up my on-screen keyboard, okay? Go ahead and press Control. Hold Shift as well. Hold Windows. And lastly, hold B. Okay? So you may hear a beep and the screen should refresh. Or sometimes it will flicker. So just wait for it. And then after that, you should be good to go. If that doesn't work, well, it might be a brightness issue. Okay? You may want to find function. And then if there is a specific key or an icon that got a brightness or a key that has a brightness icon, you may want to hold function key and press that key until you see something. If not, press function and then F6 or function F5 and check if it helps. Okay, you might have accidentally turned off your display. But that is it. That is how you fix an Acer laptop if it got black screen, even if it's powered on. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.